Welcome back to my channel. My name's Elaine Rau and I do product reviews and unboxings. Today it's all about Todd's Beauty, this Pedimax. So basically it is a expert pedicure smoothing device. So this is what it looks like. Let's see if it actually looks like that in the box. Ooh. So everything, I love how it's packaged. Everything looks, I like that it comes with three different heads. This way you don't have to buy more later on, and I feel like they're giving you the full array right here. And of course it comes with a charger as well. Let's check out the device itself. I wonder if it comes pre-charged. Let's try it, or let's actually open this, turn this on. Ooh, yes, I love, oh, there's two settings. I love when things come pre-charged because that's just saves so much time and you can actually try the product immediately. But yeah, it has two settings. If you press it once, it's slower, and then you press it again, faster. And then you press a third time for it to stop. And there's a cute little cover. I wonder if the two different heads are actually different sandpaper type, and yes they are. So these are the three heads. This one is obviously the most coarse, medium coarse, and then this is the finest one. Okay, so step one, you want to cleanse your feet before you actually use the treatment, which is different than those stones that you use in the shower. This you actually want to use when dry, which makes sense because it's electric. And what I'm referencing is those pumice stones that you use in the shower. So yeah, the drier skin will get you a better exfoliating treatment. So first you want to attach the coarse file. The coarsest one basically helps remove the bulk of the dead skin. It says to gently rock it back and forth and side to side over your hardened callus areas of skin. But do not use it on your skin for more than 3 seconds. Otherwise, it might get inflamed and stuff like that. So just be careful, not to rub off too much skin. Warning, do not use on skin for more than 2 to 3 seconds at a time, and stop if it becomes inflamed. After your treatment, you want to make sure to moisturize like crazy so that everything, so that you're taking off the callus and then putting in the moisture, locking in the softness. They said that it's ideal to use this every 1 to 2 weeks. So don't use it too often. It's definitely not every single day. As your calluses build up, you start using this for the treatment. But that's it. So let me try it and see how it works. So you see over here, I always get this little callus right here. On the side of my foot. I don't know if you can see it, but basically that's my callus part right there. So I'm going to actually change this out to the coarse one first, which is this guy right here. And how you change it is basically you just press this button and then it pops right out. And then we're just gonna slide that right in. Maybe this way. And until you hear it click. And then let's just go at it. 1, 2, woo! So definitely you can see, my skin right there. So let me move on to the next one, which is the second coarsest one. 1, 2, woo! And then we'll go at it with the finest one to finish it off. Remember, no more than 3 seconds. And there you have it. Oh yeah, definitely a lot softer. Let's compare it to my other callus. So my other callus looks like this. And then now the callus has been shaved off, and that's what it looks like here. So yeah, it definitely works really well. And I would definitely recommend this product. If you would like to check out more and learn more about it, or to get your own, check the links out below. And for more product reviews, continue watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, comment. Let me know what you think about the Pedimax. And I will see you in the next video. Okay, bye.